How the fuck? How the fuck you looking? How the fuck you get up right to see what was going on and lock the keys in the fucking car? Like this one dumbass cop that I ever seen. He get up with all the apps and that and lock this key in the damn car like a dumbass. This nigga stupid. Nigga retarded. Fucking dumbass. Dumbass nigga. Epic. But this nigga stupid as fuck. She couldn't even get that shit.